we've been working at this for actually almost 20 years. And what we noticed 20 years ago was that there's all this rich information in your brainwaves. As we were going, we realized we could do a lot of patient care directly from using this objective measurement. That's your physiological data. We started realizing we had a solution that could help concussions and dementia. And so we decided the bigger problem was we don't have a vital sign for your brain, and we need one. So we solved it. So what we've been doing is taking the way we stimulate your brain to get really well-known, well-characterized responses. These responses have been studied by science for over 70 years, and extracting them into a rapid automatic test that allows you to get a number to know, is my brain healthy, and can I track my brain performance over time? So we're running studies right now. Our partners are the Mayo Clinic in the United States, and we're measuring athletes in hockey, both pre-season, during the season, after a concussive event, and then post-season. And what we're finding, which is really interesting, is that your brain function after a concussion changes. We'd expect that, but the rate at which it returns back to normal is slower than the rate at which it looks like you've returned and you're recovered from the concussion. The reason that we started this, why we took this very focused effort, was it wasn't good enough as a scientist to have a way for me to evaluate your brain function in my laboratory, and it's not accessible to you. So we had to decide, how do we get it out in the world? We looked at things like portable blood pressure monitors and said, almost reversed engineered and said, okay, how do we get something like that for brain? And so we're now moving through series. We've gone through our laboratory testing. We're now moving out and doing some restricted testing and applications in the world. So it is technology that's out in the world now. And when we get to a point where we can create a portable device that's in your pharmacy or your local drugstore, that's our goal. And we want to get there as quickly as possible.